x plus 5 and x minus 5 are non-permissible values. X can't equal negative 5, and x can't equal 5, and since they don't cancel out, they would both become vertical asymptotes. Next, we check if we have a horizontal asymptote or vertical asymptote. The degree is the same in the top and the bottom. When the degree is the same in the top and the bottom, you have a horizontal asymptote, and that horizontal asymptote is at the coefficients of that highest degree. So we have negative 2x squared divided by 1x squared. That simplifies to be negative 2. We can now start to graph. Oh no, we should find our x-intercept and y-intercept first. Y-intercept, plug in 0 for x. You get 0, 0. X-intercept, plug in 0 for y. Well, and the only place that that fraction at the top is 0, 0. So our x-intercept and our y-intercept is the same point. It's at 0, 0. Draw in our asymptotes. One at negative 5. One at positive 5. Draw a vertical asymptote in. At y equals negative 2. And the only point we have is 0, 0. Now, we really don't have enough information in any of our sections to tell what this graph looks like. We don't know in the middle section. It's possible it could go up towards the asymptote or down towards the asymptote. We don't have anything in the other sections as well. So as far as nice points go, I'm going to need one with negative 6. I'm going to need one with positive 6. I'm going to need one with negative 4. And I'm going to need one with positive 4. I need points in the middle section to find out if it's going up or down. I need points on the outer section. So there's a lot of points I need to check. So I can plug things into either my factored form or into my original equation to figure things out. If I plug in negative 6, can you see that the top is going to be negative 6 times negative 6 is positive 36, times the negative 2 will be negative 72. And on the bottom, if I plug in negative 6, I'm going to get negative 1 times negative 11, which is positive 11. So I will get negative 72 over 11. I need to estimate where that's going to be. Since you know that 66 over 11 is 6 and 77 over 11 is 7, can you see that this is in between 6 and 7? So it'll be negative 6 point something. I go to my graph. I estimate approximately where negative 72 over 11 is, and I have enough in this section to graph. By symmetry, and by the fact that everything in the original equation is squared, negative 6 squared and 6 squared are the same thing. So I will get negative 72 over 11 for positive 6 as well. I mean, you can plug in positive 6 exactly the same way and evaluate it to figure that out. Next, I'm going to plug in negative 4. If I plugged in negative 4, negative 4 times negative 4 is positive 16 times the negative 2 will be negative 32. This will be negative 1, and this will be negative 9. I get negative 32 over positive 9. Oh, actually, if I plugged in negative 4, there's a little mistake there. Mental math mistake. Negative 4 plus 5 is positive 1. So I'll get negative 32 over negative 9, which is positive 32 over 9. Estimating where that is, 32 over 9 is going to be 3 point something. So I go negative 4. 32 over 9 will be approximately there. And by same thing, because everything is squares, positive 4 will also be 32 over 9. And here we have our final graph. I'd like you to try question number 4.